Hey guys, how you doing? Asplenia here. Welcome back. Today I just wanted to show you how I detail some of my bodies. Uh, Today we're going to be going over the Monster Beetle collection. So I just reviewed this. This is the Monster Beetle Trail. So it's the smaller of the two. And then I got my Monster Beetle CC01 back here, and then the re-released Monster Beetle 1/10 scale. Now, the cool thing about all these bodies, one thing that they do have in common, the fact that I've worked on all of them. Haha. No, but kidding aside, using markers. Markers are one of my first go-to things when I start working on a body to bring some detail to it. So let's just go around, show you some of the stuff that I use. So I'll use Sharpies are one of my favorites. There are other ones. Bic makes a good one too, this or that. But I find that for the chrome or the silver that you want, Sharpie makes a really good one for that. Then you got your different sizes. You got your fine tip. So let's just take a look at that. So the fine is what I use to do all the detail on the doors, all the line. So that's what I use that for. And then of course, you have your normal size, your biggers, and your jumbos. That's right, they're called the biggers. King size, there we go. And then we king size, and then we have our jumbos. So, I mean, there's really not much to do if you got yourself a clean body, as long as it's not oily, this or that. If it is, just wipe it down. And one of the things that I use to wipe stuff down with is rubbing alcohol. So this stuff does a great job, and it doesn't seem to affect any of the plastics. I might not do it on maybe some of the windows, but other than that, the rest of the plastics have no problem. So I clean everything up, and then just simply apply markers to where I want. So here, kind of see, you can actually see where some of the silver is coming off. Now this is a magic marker, so if you do make a mistake, it does rub off, which is kind of nice. And the more you handle it, stuff like that. But it's very, very easy to apply. If you have a really steady hand and paint is your thing, you're so lucky, because I'm not very good at that at all. But the things that I do detail on, and which markers make it so easy, is, you know, you can do the window frames, you can do all the detailing, you got the door handles. You know, back here I've just matted out some of the exhaust. Through here, again, just using marker, just matted that out. The taillights came out really, really nice. So those aren't stickers, that's just a red Sharpie on the chrome. And then, yeah, just color stuff in. I put silver on the outside here, just to kind of give it a little bit more definition. Because a lot of chrome screams at you, and then you can't really see a lot of the detail, so it's nice when you can actually do stuff like that. On this Monster Beetle here, let me get you out a marker here, all across here, that's just all marker. And then up through here, marker again, marker. I think originally I might have painted this one, but I've touched it up a lot with marker. Here's another one. Now on this one I actually used some Tamiya rust and mud and stuff. I'll try, maybe I'll do another video of that. I just kind of learned how to do that, and it worked out quite well. Now if you're looking for a more in-depth body too, I find not so much, like, doesn't really matter with this, it is a hard body, but on some of the bodies like this one, you can kind of, let me just get this off here if I can, there we go. I do end up painting the inside black, because with a marker that would take a really long time. But I just use a matte black, and then I use black electrical tape, you know, to either mask stuff up. This one has a light kit in it, so that I made up. So it's got all the black tape is kind of hiding all the wire. Anyway, if you take your time and use this, you know, use whatever marker you want. There's so many different colors when it comes to Sharpies. I picked it up for about, I think it was 20 bucks, and it came with 16 different colors or something like that. The jumbo one is really, really good for it seems to be the darkest, and it's also got the widest tip on it as well. So that makes for very easy coloring. And that's about it. So again, just wanted to put it out there on how I detail some of the bodies. And you know, for me, it's the easiest way. It might not be for you, but if you're a little nervous trying it and you're not sure, remember, you can buy Sharpies anywhere. If you don't want it on there, you can just take it off, or it eventually wears off too. And where I've found I haven't had a lot of luck with paint on that. Kind of once I get it on there, it's on there. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Take a look at some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.